Introducing the latest Striebig vertical panel saws, the Evolution and the Control. A Striebig Control is the ideal machine wherever a modern automatic panel saw is required. The massive one-piece welded saw frame is self-supporting for maximum stability. The full-surface yielding support frame is the ideal panel support for thin materials. Integral TRK dust extraction guarantees that dust extraction is clearly and permanently below the European dust threshold limits of 2 milligrams of dust per cubic meter of air. Precision guide rails for the saw beam and the saw unit guarantee absolute parallelism to an accuracy of 1/100th of a millimeter. The support rollers with their integrated brake, which is automatically activated when the saw blade is plunged, are also accurate to 1/100th of a millimeter. Two dimensioned rails for vertical cutting to imperial or metric dimensions are also standard on control models. So is the foldable central support made of fiber-reinforced plastic for improved panel edge protection. 3 ultra-precise auxiliary stops are available when making repeat vertical cuts. A digital measuring system which guarantees that finishing cuts are accurate to 1/10th of a millimeter, is fitted as standard to every Striebig Control. The convenience and performance offered by Striebig's Control model sets new standards. For example, the reference dimension is quick and easy to set. The electric motor fine adjustment facility allows adjustment of ±4 millimeters after the saw unit has been locked. Then there's the function key for the automatic acceptance of the reference dimension on the central support, or for strip cutting. Pneumatic saw beam locking with automatic interface recognition. The beam unlocking facility, which is operated simply by pressing a button. And the self-actuating program rail for repeat horizontal cuts. The ergonomic ultra-precise saw unit, which is fitted with a powerful motor, offers pneumatic locking of the saw unit and pneumatic pivoting from horizontal to vertical, which is just as easy. Fast and convenient. The most important functions on an additional panel on the saw unit make the saw very user-friendly. The riving knife retaining button on the saw unit permits cutouts to be made without any difficulty. For safety reasons, the riving knife automatically returns to its initial position on withdrawal. The Striebig Control is a high-tech saw. Sawing is fully automatic at the touch of a button. Feed speeds are infinitely adjustable between 10 and 25 meters per minute. Additional Striebig quality features can be seen in all the details. Vertical and horizontal panel end recognition by sensors. And the selectable sawing cycle with or without returning to the starting position. Different languages can be selected on the PLC control system, as well as the 2-stage operating time counter and the user interface. It also contains an error recognition system as a standard feature. If required, the control model's range of uses can be substantially extended with original Striebig accessories. The 4SB, trimming all 4 edges on panels up to 300 kilograms in weight, using the pneumatic lifting device. The panel is lifted and held by vacuum suction when trimming the lower edge, without any loss of time and without any damage to the edges. The pneumatically operated scoring saw unit. The scoring saw width is infinitely adjustable. The finishing cut is the principal. No torn edges and accurate to 1/10 of a millimeter. Additional accessories for professional work. The grooving accessory for composite panels. The digital depth stop that is infinitely adjustable to 25 millimeters. And the proven patented angle cutting unit. The EPS, Electronic Positioning System. Enter the dimensions, finished. The EPS moves the stop into position with an accuracy of 1/10 of a millimeter. Superlative quality, absolute precision, efficient and versatile. Fully automatic, user-friendly and powerful. These are the characteristics of Striebig's high-performance control vertical panel saw. Striebig's control is supplemented by the Evolution, which is supplied without the automatic feed facility. The manual version, but with all the Striebig advantages. For example, with the pneumatic plunge and withdrawal facility for cutting tall panels. The new machine generation from Striebig. Evolution and control. A commitment to perfection. Striebig.